Starting as an 18-month pilot project in Liberia in 2013, the United Methodist eReader initiative has expanded to 22 theological education institutions in Africa and Asia.
The African context is very complex. We take the act of reading for granted here, but that's not so easy in Africa in many places, where you have one book for hundreds of people. Therefore, we need to address that issue by providing alternatives.
Through the eReader project, GBHEM has provided access to education, new bibliographic materials, contextual literature, innovative pedagogical tools, and continuous interaction for leadership development in a global and multicultural context. E-readers in schools have proven to be an effective way to help theological schools in remote areas to provide access to current text and reference books for their students.
A library is the center of a university, is the center of knowledge. And we've done this before. We started a library in Liberia many years ago. When they started a war, the first thing they destroyed was the library. With the eReader project, we solved the problem because now we can take your library home, and no one can destroy that.
Since the inception of the eReader initiative, several languages, including French and Portuguese, have been added to the program so that more schools have the ability to offer this resource to their students. Within the next year, 4 to 5 additional theological institutions should be adding this resource to their programs. Students at all schools have the ability of taking an e-reader with them into ministry upon graduation.